channel. It's your girl Untitled coming to you with another video, and today we are going to be turning our wig into a scissor wig. I purchased this hair from Amazon from Mydiva hair for about $111. This is probably like the best packaging I've gotten in a while. As you can see, the hair is a nice golden yellow tone, so I have to get rid of that. And the hairline is pre-plucked. It comes with 4 combs, of course, and an adjustable strap, and that's as much space you're going to get, so there's not that much parting space. So now going in with some Shimmer Light shampoo, I'm just going to tone the hair in this bucket for you guys to see, as you can see. And then it turns to a nice silvery color, which is really nice. I wish I could keep it that way, but we're going for pink here. Then I go ahead and try tinting the lace with a tea bag. And now I have to tint it like twice. So this is just the first time I'm tinting it with just 2 bags of tea bags, whatever. And then later on, I don't show, but I do go in and tint it again after I dye the hair. Now I'm going to go in with some Adore dye, and this is in Pink Petal, and I'm just pouring that into a bucket of warm water. Then I'm going to go in with some hot water to put on top just so that the color will take. And you have to make sure you stir this really well, so no chunks, no little pieces, okay? No pieces swimming in there. At first I was just gonna dump the frontal portion, but then I decided to just put the whole head in there. I have a little bit of water in there, and I'm just pouring the rest of the Pink Petal in there. And then I'm gonna take pink blush and mix that in there as well. As you can see, the hair is a nice rosy pink color. So I'm starting off by dumping the ends of the hair inside that coloring, and I'm slowly pushing the rest of the hair in, but I'm making sure not to put my roots in there. Like the front portion of my hair, I kind of want it to stay that light pink color. And I'm just letting the end sit in there for a while, just so that it has the darkest color, I guess. I don't know what I'm doing. So then when I felt like the color took, I went ahead and rinsed out the hair, and I deep conditioned it overnight so that it could stay, you know, fresh and lovely and soft. And then the next day I went ahead and dipped the hairline in some more tea bag and coffee this time, and it really took to coloring, and it definitely tinted the lace and some of the hair as well, but I wasn't too worried about that. So as you can see, I did my makeup like SZA. I'll try to get as close to as possible as she looked in that picture. So then I am gonna go ahead and show you the hairline of the wig. The wig is looking poppin'. I'm just going to go ahead and add some foundation powder to the lace just so that it really blends into my scalp. I don't want to mess this up, okay? So I tried it on my head and it looks beautiful. And I cut off the lace, and I'm going to cut off the ear tabs as well. Then I'm going to go ahead and go in with some Got2b spray and glue, and I'm just going to place that on my hairline. And I'm making sure to blow dry each layer with cold air. had a lot of excess got to be glue on my perimeter, so I go ahead in with some alcohol on the Q-tips and just clean that up. I decided not to use any heat on this hair because it's already fragile, so I went ahead and used some rods to curl the hair just to give it, you know, a little volume, a little bounce, you know? So I'm gonna let that sit in my hair while I go eat, and then I'm gonna come back and take it all out. Let's take out these curlers. Hopefully they actually formed a curl. Let's see. Ooh! Oh my god, the hair feels so freaking soft. Brush it out a little bit. Alright, so this is basically the finished look. I did like my baby hairs real quick because I felt like it needed to be done. I am freaking in love with this hair. Now, this hair was only $110 and it's from Mydiva Hair. I don't know anything about this company. I like just found them randomly while I was looking for 613 hair, but they seem to be the most affordable and highly rated out of the ones that I saw. Mind you though, it only has 11 ratings, so. But it got 4.5 stars, so that's not bad. This hair was 16 inches, so it's not that long, but I feel like it's good enough for me for what I'm looking for. Like this is, I don't want it to be too crazy. I just wanted something simple. It was my first time trying 613 hair ever. Like 613 that is real hair. So this is my first time trying that, and I feel like I did a good job on it. Like this was my first time tinting my lace and everything, and I feel like it looked really good. Like I'll show you how the lace looks on my head. So it kind of shows you a before and after. So this is the part that was tinted and this is the part that wasn't tinted. So you can see a clear difference of how the lace came and what I changed it to. I'll show you how much parting space is in the middle. Give you a decent amount of parting space. It goes all the way to about the middle of my head, but the sides, it just stops over here. So the sides are like right there. I do want to say that this hair does shed. Like look at my brush, but I've been brushing my hair a lot, so that's my fault. But I read somewhere that 613 hair sheds anyway because it's super processed, so I'm not too worried about that. The hair feels soft as I guess 613 hair can get. I feel like the color is a little bit more neon than Sizzle's. Sizzle's is like straight hot pink. Mine's look super neon, like especially like if I go like this, it's super neon. But I tried to get the color close enough, you know? If you guys want to experiment with color and you don't want to spend too much, definitely check out Mydiva Hair. It's affordable for some 16 inches for some 613 hair, okay? Keep in mind, I did spend my own coins on this, okay? This is not, they didn't send me this hair. They don't even know who I am, all right? So, yeah. Thank you guys so much for tuning into another video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave me a thumbs up if you like what you saw and you saw what you like. Also, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It's gonna be down in this corner right here. Join my little familia. Get a little familiar with me. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for tuning into another video, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye. Mwah.